Okay, I got the ears finally moved. It took me about 6 hours to grind all these welds off and from here and move the ear over 1.5 inches. And the guy just came and welded them all back on. He did a nice job. Now the bucket fits. I have to make some spacers for here, just so these don't split open and keep the bucket sturdy. Next will be the battery box, which is needing some real, got a hole on the bottom, so I'm gonna have to rebuild that. And that's just about it, other than a few seals and the tires. And then this seal here on this is leaking. Needs 2 hoses on the extend-a-hole up at the top, and then that's pretty much it. Just about got everything covered now. The wiring's all fixed, so it's not a bad investment.